Imagine finding an abandoned airplane, left to decay in the middle of a jungle. Now imagine turning that same aircraft into a multi-million-dollar luxury home. Sounds impossible, right? But this transformation is going to blow your mind. This airplane once ruled the skies, carrying hundreds of passengers across the world. But after years of service, it was retired and left alone, forgotten in nature. Rust took over, windows broke, and slowly, it became nothing more than scrap. Until one day, someone saw potential where others saw trash. Instead of scrapping it, they had a bold idea. What if we turn this plane into a luxury living space? And that's where the journey began. The first step wasn't easy. The entire plane had to be cleaned, repaired, and stripped down. Rusty panels were removed, damaged parts were replaced, and the structure was reinforced to make it safe for living. Then came the real magic. The inside of the plane was redesigned from scratch. Luxury marble flooring was installed. Modern lighting gave it a warm, premium feel. And every inch was carefully crafted to match high-end apartment standards. If this transformation amazed you, make sure to like and subscribe because the next one is even more incredible. If this transformation amazed you, make sure to like and subscribe because the next one is even more incredible.